Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to put space in your display name in Roblox. This will be a very quick and easy tutorial. Just follow my steps. So first and foremost, let's go to our Roblox page on our desktop here. And then we go to settings on the top right hand corner here. And then we click on settings. After going to settings, we click on account info, which should be already defaulted when you click on settings. And then as you can see here, if I put space in the name, the display name contains unsupported characters. So what we have to do next is we scroll down here to find account location. And then after finding account location, we just click it and then change it to United States. And then a pop-up will show up to confirm, and then click on set location. After changing the location, we just edit our name again. Let's see, put a space right here. Then you can actually save it now. So click on save, and then refresh the page. And now we have a space in our display name. And that's how you put space in your display name in Roblox. And that's all for the video. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching.